Welcome back, THF YouTubers and IGers. Today we have this Toyota 4Runner with these Morimoto XB headlights. We've got an amber LED light bar. We got the interior done. It's pretty, I'd like to say badass. I mean, it looks pretty awesome. Let's check it out, y'all. All right, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you guys the sequential blinkers. Look how awesome that is. You got, anytime you hit the blinker, it'll change to amber. All right, and then also what you got too is we're gonna show you the high beam. You hit that high beam, boom. All right, and then also what we're gonna show you is this light bar that we got in here. Check it out, looks pretty awesome. It's amber, check it out. And this thing looks so amazing. Look how bright it is. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Also, not to mention, we also did the interior. These headlights while I walk by, they look so cool, man. They're awesome. They're, you know, you get what you pay for, you know. Look, top quality, almost looks factory, you know. Morimoto XB. Check this interior, man. We went from the halogen to these awesome LED. These are profile, fellas. Profile. These are very bright. These aren't like your cheap eBay, Amazon, O'Reilly's, or AutoZone junk, you know. This is some really, 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 really bright stuff, you know. Nice pure white. None of that purple stuff like you get, like I said, on eBay. This is a real white. Check out these reverse. Oh my goodness, these reverse are insane. You're not gonna see nothing like that. You gotta swap out those reverse lights as well too. The license plate, change that from that ugly halogen stuff. But look, when you hit that reverse, you can actually see somebody back there or something when you're backing up. Pretty awesome. Guys, check us out. When you go to the HID factory, you can select your options. It's like Burger King, have it your way. Thank you and God bless.